Hey, it's me, Leah, and I'm super excited that this brand reached out to me. This is the BriteStep Doormat, and it's exactly in its name. It's a light up doormat. So let's open this up, check it out, and put this up on my front door. I'm super excited because my husband's gonna have a surprise to come to. This says hello, but that's not the star of the show. It's the mat that goes underneath it. And here it is, but let's see this by my front door. I'm super excited. My husband's gonna be excited when he sees this when he comes home tonight. How cool is that? But we're gonna come back at night to really see it light up. So you step on it and it turns on, and it kind of gives a glowing effect by your front door, which is great because now I can see that step no matter what. So it's just about dusk, it's not too dark outside, and that is so bright, and it lights up my step. I mean, it really lets you know, like, it really helps you see, and it lets me know my step is there. Like, I'm not gonna trip over anything. This was gifted to me free for review. This is really the neatest format. Just really lights that area up and lets me see. I highly recommend this.